Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Class 5, Chapter 2, Operation on Numbers, Video Part 1, Question number 1. Find the value of A multiply B multiply C multiply D. So these are the numbers adding here, and there is hidden A, B, C, D. Not hidden, actually it is written here A, B, C, D. We have to find the value of A, B, C, D. So first write this number again, copy this number from there so that it can be visible clearly. 6A 4 5 604 604 5D2 5D2. Next is 545 545 605 605 60 545 B605 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 604 604. Upon addition, it is coming 641C 641C and 1210 1210 911 9 1 and 1. Okay, add these two. 4 plus 2 6, correct. D plus what equal to 4, and so D can be 4 plus 0 equal to 4. Okay, and 6 plus 5 equal to 11. Yes, so D can be your 4 plus 0 equal to 4. 6 plus 5 11, carry 1. 4 plus 1 5 plus 5 10. So 10, here it should be 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0 1. 6 plus 6 2, 12, carry 1. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus what equal to 1? So 6 plus nothing equal to 1. So 6 plus something should be equal to 11. So 6 plus what equal to 11? So 6 plus 5 equal to 11. So B should be your 5. 11, carry 1. 4 plus 1 5 plus 5 10, 0, carry 1. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus what equal to 9? So 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Now 6 plus 5 equal to 11. So we found A equal to 4, B equal to 5, C equal to 0 and D equal to 4. We have to find A multiply B multiply C multiply D. So 4 multiply 5 20 multiply 0 0 multiply 4 0. The answer will be A. The first answer is option A. Question number 2. This number of A equal to this. Find the value of 3A. So how many A's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We can write 11A equal to 2, 5, 4, 6, 5, 0, 9, 9, 2, 2. So what is the value of 1A? 11A means 11 multiply A equal to this. So A will be equal to 2, 5, 4, 6, 5, 0, 9, 9, 2, 2. divide by 11 equal to what? So you can divide this in your notebook. That is your 2, 5, 4, 6, 5, 0, 9, 9, 2, 2. Divide by 11. So you will get the quotient as 2315, 2315, 00902. 2315, 00902, 00902. This is equal to A. So what will be 3A? 3A means 3 multiply by this value. So 2, 3, 1, 5, 0, 0, 9, 0, 2. If we multiply it with 3, so we will get 694502 694502 706. Where it is 6945, that is 72, no, 694502 706. Option B. So second answer is option B. Third one. Question number 3. Find the number which is dash more than the sum of this and this. So first we will find the sum of this number and this number. The sum of this number is 67, 45, 45, 6, 4, 6. Add the another number to 2, 0, 4, 4, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2. Okay. So we have to find the more than this. So here we can add all three numbers because we have to find the sum of this and more than this means we have to add it. So we can write this number also and add it. So write 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are there, 3 and then 2. Okay, and then write 6 and add all three numbers. You will find the answer. 6 plus 2, 8, 4 plus 0, 4, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 6, 12, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 and 6. So answer is your 677270048. This is in the option number A. The third answer is option A. Question number 4. Find the number which is this less than the product of this and this. So first we have to find the product of these two. So 9877 multiply by 7987. Here I will multiply it conventionally. I will start from the ones place digit. 7 sevens are 49, carry 4. 7 sevens are 49 plus 4, 53, carry 5. 8 sevens are 56, 56 plus 5, 61, carry 6. 9 sevens are 63, 63 plus 6, 69. Now multiply with the tens place digit. 8 sevens are 56, carry 5. 8 sevens are 56 and plus 5, 61, carry 6. 8 eights are 64 plus 6, 70. Carry 7. 8 nines are 72 and plus 7, 79. Now multiply with the hundreds place digit. 9 sevens are 63, carry 6. 9 sevens are 63 plus 6, 69. Carry 6. 9 eights are 72, 72 plus 6, 78. Carry 7. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 7, 88. Now start from the thousands place digit. So thousands place digit means this will be 0. You get 0 or cross. Both means nothing. Okay. Now 7 sevens are 49, carry 4. 7 sevens are 49 plus 4, 53. Carry 5. 7 eights are 56 plus 5, 61, carry 6, 7 9s are 63, plus 6, 69. Now add 9, 6 plus 3, 9, 3 plus 2, 5, 9, 9, 9, 27, carry 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 8, 25 plus 8, 28, carry 2, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 8, 18, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 9, 18, carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Now, this is less than this number. So, copy this number again. 7, 8, 8, 8, 7, 5, 9, 9. Now, subtract it. 6, 5, 6, 5, 4, 4, 6. 4, 4, 6. Subtract these two. 9 minus 6. 3. 9 minus 5. 4. 15, this will be 6, this will be 15. 15 minus 6, 9, 6 minus 5, 1, here 4, here 4, here 2, here 7. So what will be the answer? 72441943. That is in the option number B. The fourth answer is option B. Come to the question number 5. In a go down, there are dash rice bags, dash wheat bags. Okay. Each rice bag contains 25 kg. Each wheat bag contains 30 kg. Total amount of grains. So first we will find the total amount of rice. Total amount of rice equal to how many bags of rice are there? So 4, 5, 6, 2. What is the weight of one bag? That is your 25 kg. So to find the total weight, we have to multiply 456 with 25. So we will get 114050. 114050 kg. This is the weight of the rice. Now total weight or amount, you can write anything, of wheat. What is the weight of the total amount of the wheat bag? So this is your 3085 multiply by 30 kg, because each wheat bag contains 30 kg. Okay? So one bag contains 30 kg. So 3085 bag will contain, to multiply with 30. Okay? After multiplying, you will get 92550. 92550. You can put comma here also. Okay? In the Indian system of numeration. This number of amount is here. Now we have to find the total weight. So total weight of rice and wheat both are 1,14,050 plus 92,550. If we add both these numbers, so we will get 114,050. After adding these two, we will get 206,600. 206,600. Put comma here. Okay? The total weight is 206,600. That is in your option number C. The fifth answer is option C. Question number 6. What least number should be subtracted from this such that the resulting number becomes completely divisible by 23? So what least number should be subtracted? That least number will be your remainder. So start dividing. 51864. Divide it with 23. Okay? So to make the division easy, you can write the table of 23 beside it. 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46. So it can be divisible in the 2 times, because in 3 times it will be more. So 46 equal to, so 11 minus 6 equal to 5, 4 minus 5 equal to 0. Now 8 will drop down. Again 2s are. Okay? So 46, 8 minus 6 it is 2, 5 minus 4 it is 1. Now 6 will drop down. So 23 threes are 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. 23 fours are 12, carry 1, 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 92. Again threes are 1, 1, 5. And sixes are 138, which is more than. So we can divide at the 5 times. 3, 4, 5. ठीक है, तो 5 times it will be your 1, 1, 5. 6 minus 5 equal to 1. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Now 0. Again 4 will drop down. If 4 will drop down, so we can divide in the 4 times. So 4 times it is 92. 4 minus 2, it will be 2. 11 minus 9, it will be 2. 22. 22 is the remainder, and this is the extra amount present here. If we remove this, so this number can be completely divisible. So remainder is the extra amount which can be subtracted from the dividend, and then the remaining answer will be completely divisible by the divisor. So it should be option C. Sixth answer is option C. Question number 7. If product of 695 and this is equal to this, find the value of this multiply A. So product of 695 multiply by 5 to double A 7 to A equal to 36450 83180. So what is this value? This value means we can just, to find this value, we can divide 36450 83180 with 695. If we will divide this two number, so we can find, you can just do in your notebook, 36450 83180 divide by 695. So you will get 5244724. 5244724. You can see 52A7 at A it is 4. 4 4 A. For A equal to 4. A equal to 4. Now we have to find 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5 multiply by 4. So you can do it easily in your notebook. 2, 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 6, 5. 2, 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5 only. Sorry. 5, 6, 5 multiply by 4. So you will find 8094260. 8094260. That is in your option number A. Seventh answer is option A. Question number 8. What will be the remainder when this is divided by 12? So this is simple division. You can do it by yourself. I am just doing it for you. 550438. Divide by 12. 4s are 48. 15 minus 8. 7. 0. 0 will drop down. 5s are 60. 0. 1. 4 will drop down. 8s are 96, 8 and then 0. Now 3 will drop down. 6s are 72. 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. Now 8 will drop down. 9s are 108, 0, 1 and 0. Remainder is 10. What will be the remainder? Remainder is 10. Eighth answer is option A. 9. In a garden, there are this number of flowers plants in each row, and there are 2560 rows in the garden. Okay. One row 45,623 flowers and total number of rows are 2560. Find the total number of flower plants in the garden. So one row it is given. We have to find the more number of rows. So there will be multiplication. The total number of flower plant equal to multiply by. So 45,623 multiply by 2560. When you multiply this two number, that is your 45,623 with 2,560. So you will get 11 crore 67 lakh 94,880. Okay. You can just write 116794,880. It is available in the option number A. So ninth answer is option A. Okay. Come to the question number 10. Find the product of this and x. X is a natural number which is 7 more than 55. So first we will find x. X is 7 more than 55. More than means addition. So 55 plus 7, that is your 62. And we have to find the product of 77875 multiply by 62. You just write this 77,875 in your notebook. Multiply it with 62. You will get 4828,250. 4828,250. That is in the option number D. So 10th answer is option D. Answer is option D. Question number 11. A equal to this, B equal to this, C equal to this. Find the value of this and this. Take up to B minus A. So first copy the number B. That is your 59866898554. Now minus A. So I am writing from the right hand side. 6568,932. Subtract it. There is subtraction. 14 minus 6, 8. 14 minus 5, 9. 14 minus 6, 8. Now 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 8, 0. 16 minus 9, 7. 5 minus 3, 8 minus 2, 6. 9 and 5. Okay. Now B minus A will be divided by 2. So 5962703289835. If we divide it with 2, so 98132. Sorry, 35 it is. 16449. 16449. 16449. Okay. So we have found the value of B minus A by 2. Okay. Now add with C. So what is C here? So C is 322. Okay. Now 366. 366. Now 545. 545. ऐड कर दीजिए इन दोनों को. 9 plus 3 12. Carry 1. 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. 3 plus 1 4. 6 plus 5 11. Carry 1. Here 10. Carry 1. Here 7. Here 12. Carry 1. Here 15. Carry 1. Here 3. 35270148672. You can find in the option number C. So 11th answer is option C. Okay. Question number 12. Martin's income during the year 2009 was this. Next year, his income increased by this. How much did he earn in these 2 years? तो फर्स्ट ईयर इनकम क्या होगा आपका? फर्स्ट ईयर equal to your first year means 2009. It is your 456,986. Second year or next year you can say 2010. Second year income क्या हो गया आपका? तो increased by this amount. So it means 456,986 added with 254. Sorry, I have to write from the right side. It should be 3,6,4,5,2. This will be the income in the second year. To find the total income, we have to add all these three. So let's add here only. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 6, 23. Carry 2. 9, 9, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Plus 2, 24. Carry 2. 12, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 5. 19, carry 1. 5 plus 5, 10. Plus 1, 11. 12, 13, carry 1. 4 plus 4, 5. Plus 4 plus 4, 8. Plus 1, 9. This is your 939435. It is in the option number D. The 12th answer is option D. Okay. Question number 30. X is a number which is 46, 465,335 more than the sum of this and this. Y is a number less than the sum of this and this. Find the difference between X and Y. X क्या होगा आपका? X equal to sum of this and more than this means sum of all three number. So that is your, I'm just writing here, 2496254656. Next number is your 456. I'm sorry, 454 it is. 54 5 268 268 94 94. Since it is more than this, so we can add here only 533 564 564. Add all these numbers, you can find value of X. Okay? So 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, carry 1, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 1, 14, carry 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 1, 14, carry 1, 5 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 15, carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6, 6, 12 plus 2, 14, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 15, carry 1, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, carry 1, 4, 4, 8 plus 1, 9, and 2. This is your X. Now we have to find the value of Y. So for finding the value of Y, first we have to find the sum of these two. So to find the value, just write the sum. That is your 9054. First I'm writing the bigger number. 9054 65325. 65325. Next is your 235 235 656 656. Now it is 465 465. Okay, now find the sum of these two first. 5 plus 2, 7, 3, 2, 5, 5, 3, 8, 6, 5, 11, 6, 5, 11, 12, 6, 4, 10 plus 1, 11, 9, 10, carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 9, 5, 14. Now this is less than, so we have to subtract it. It will be your 564, 564, 561, 561. Subtract it. 7 minus 5, 2. 15 minus 6, 9. 7 minus 4, 3. 11 minus 5, 6. 11 minus 6, 5. Now 10 minus 1, 9. Now 9. Here it is 6. Here it is 4. Here it is 1. This is your value of y. ठीक है. Now difference between x and y. तो x minus y equal to x minus y क्या हो जाएगा आपका 2 9953 9953 45445 45445 माइनस हो जाएगा आपका 14699 14699 56392 56392 इक्वल टू आ रहा है आपका 152 ठीक है 538953 152538953 that is in the option number A. So 13th answer will be option A. ठीक है. Come to the question number 14. Sum of A and this is this less than the sum of this and this. To find the value of A. So A plus this is this number less than the sum of this two. So first we have to find the sum of this two number. So this two number का sum क्या हो जाएगा? First I am noting the number 3468 656 032. ठीक है. Now add 086 259 259 and then 452 452. First find the sum of this two number. So 2 8 plus 3 11 carry 1 6 plus 1 7 8 10 carry 1 16 carry 1 13 carry 1 12 carry 1 7 no carry and then 3. Sum of this. अब this is less than. A निकालने के लिए first we have to find the difference in between these two. तो 986 ठीक है 986 569 569 45 45. Find the difference. So 12 minus 9 3. Okay. Now 10 minus 8 2. 6 minus 6 0 3 4. 15 minus 9 6. Now 12 minus 4 8. Now 11 minus 5 6. Here 6. Here 3. Now A plus this equal to this. A plus this equal to this. So we to find the A we have to subtract here with this number. So here A equal to हो जाएगा आपका A equal to I am writing here only this number minus 95 235 235 0258 0258. ठीक है. If you subtract this two number 366 366 हो गया आपका 864 864 3023 3023 माइनस हो जाएगा आपका 95 2350 2350 258 258. तो ए हो जाएगा आपका 27162 92765. A हो जाएगा आई एम राइटिंग हियर 27162 92765. This is in your option B. The 14th answer is option. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.